Okay, now you know. So what is the drive? Drive has a letter. Starting from that drive letter, it goes forward. Drive letter, then users, then users folder, then user folder, then desktop folder. Likewise, it goes forward. Right. The next thing is here size and size on its location. Now you know. Right. Third one. Fourth, size. Size of the content. Then size taken by the disk is the second one. Size of the content, size taken by the disk is the fifth one. Okay, let's see the difference. Let's do small practical to see the difference. Right, let's do a small practical to see the difference. So can you go to the Windows desktop again by closing all these? And can you create, right click on the desktop in an empty place, go to new and select text document, right click in empty place, new, and then select text document. Can you do that? Finished?
Finished, sir.
Right. Open that text document now. It's empty, but it's okay. Just open that text document. Then type only one character there. Then type only one character there. And save it. Only one character, right? Then save it. And can you tell me the size and size on disk now? Just right click on the particular file, go to properties and let me know the size and size of this size on disk quickly.
Size is 1 byte and size on disk is 0.
Size on disk is 0. So what about the others? You got the same result? Tania?
Sir, in my size 1 byte, size on disk 4 kilobytes.
Tania, you are using Windows 7, no?
Yes, sir.
Right, that's why you got 4 KB, right? That's what I want to see, right? Okay, but in Windows 10, that it's display as 0 KB, right? That doesn't, no need to worry. That's the nature. So others?
In my computer,
Hmm?
size 1 byte, size on disk
0
4.0
kilobyte.
KB.
Yes. So that is in Windows 7 computers. Windows 10, you will get size 1 byte, size on disk 0. So that's okay, right? So let's close it. Here you got this. Now let's increase this to 10 characters, size 1 byte, size on disk 4 KB. Let's increase this to 10. Let's write 10 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 0, altogether 10. Now save and let me know the size and size on disk.
The size is 10 byte and size on disk is 0.
Size is 10 bytes, size on disk is 0. That means one character means how many bytes?
1 byte.
1 byte. One character means 1 byte. Right, good. So you are catching this up. It's good. Others also, I think, doing the same, right? Okay. So let's copy this. Copy this. You can go to select this, then edit, copy, and then edit, paste, and again paste, and again paste, and again paste. Paste this 10 times. Right? Paste this 10 times. Then you will see here after pasting 10 times. Please count the times, right? Count the number of times. Paste it 10 times. Okay, now you can see it's pasted. How to
Sir,
find? Yes.
I can't see the screen, no, sir.
Again, right? But anyway, so please follow the instruction. So please follow the instruction. Copy it and paste it 10 times. Copy it and paste it 10 times. Okay, I'm going to shift to one of your screens, right? So that is, I think, easier for me. And right, okay. So, Denori, can you share your screen?
Okay, sir.
So since my screen is not syncing, so let's use one of our students' screen, right? Okay, I can see. Okay, Denori. So now, so 10 bytes, right? Open the file now again. So see how she's doing, right? Open the file now. See how she's doing. You have 10 characters there. Just select all the characters. Select all the characters. Then edit, edit, copy, edit, copy, and edit, again edit, paste. Shortcut is Control V. Again, you can press Control V. Or again paste. නැත්නම් ආයෙ edit එකේ paste පුළුවන්. Edit එකේ paste. Paste. Or the shortcut is Control V. Paste it again. Now 3 times. Paste it again. 4 times. Paste it again. 5. Paste again. 6. Paste again. 7. Paste again. 8. Paste again. 9. And paste again. 10. Now you can see here. So Denori, can you see in your screen here LN1 COL 101? Can you see something like that? LN1 call 0. Oh, don't put spaces. Spaces දාන්න එපා. Spaces දැම්මොත් වරදිනවා. Just erase that. LN1 call 101 කියලා එකක් පේනවද ඔයාලට?
Can see, sir.
මේ අනිත් අයටත් පේනවද? මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙන. LN1 call 101. So it's in the bottom. So can you show Denuri? Yeah, රවුමක් ඇඳලා පෙන්නන්න එතන. All right. Can draw using the annotation tool. Right.
Sir, I cannot see it now.
You cannot see, then go to the view menu එකට යන්නකෝ. If you cannot see, go to the view menu. View then ඔය ඔත් පෙන්වන්න view menu එකට ගිහිල්ලා පුතේ. Can you go to the view menu? Just අර annotation එකකින් arrow එක දාගන්න. Arrow එක දාගන්න පුතේ එතන. Otherwise you can't move. Right, then go to the view menu. මේකේ තියෙන view menu එක. View menu. ඒකේ තියෙනවනේ the status bar. අන්න ඒකට හරියක් දාලා තියෙන්න ඕන. Then only you can see that, right? Otherwise if you untick this you cannot see. If you put right sign only you can see. Now you have 100 characters. That's why you are in 101 position. After passing 100 characters, you are in 101 position. LN1 means you have only one line.
Excuse me, sir, I cannot pick that now.
Or you cannot tick that. So might be error. But anyway, you paste 10 times, that will be okay, right?
Sir, I too pasted 10 times.
Right, good. So don't worry. So you cannot count. So don't worry about the automatic count. Just paste it 10 times. That's all. Paste it 10 times. Okay. Now you can see it's pasted 10 times. Now save it and see the file size. Save and see the file size. Right click and go to properties. Now we can see size is 100 bytes. 100 bytes. So others you are using Windows 7 will see size 100 bytes, size on disk 4 KB.
Excuse me, sir, in my one it shows 156 bytes.
Yeah,
Right.
that's why I think the reason is you have either type more. It's definitely you will get 100 bytes. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා එක්ක වැඩියෙන් paste කරලා පුතේ. එහෙම නැත්නම් spaces තියලා. එහෙම නැත්නම් enter key එක ගහලා.
I kept spaces, sir.
That's why remove the spaces. So don't put spaces, otherwise you can't see the calculation, right? Okay, now you can see it's 100 bytes. Now I need, then what I need now? Now copy that again. Select, copy that again. Close it. Select, copy that again. Or you can press Control A. Control A. Control A to select all. Control A, Control key and A key. keyboard එකේ control key එකයි A එකයි එකපාර press කරන්න පුළුවන්. Don't erase. Oh, you are getting A's. Control and A. දැන් ඔයාගේ මොන හරි වැඩිපුර erase වෙලා තියෙන පුතේ. Here 92. You can see the 92. Please add it up to 100. Now just remove one character. That A is additional, I think. This A is additional. Just remove A. Before Denori, yes, you can see. Okay. Now you can see. Okay. Control A. වැඩ කරන්නේ නැද්ද? Control A. Control key එකයි A key එකයි. Command A. CTRL A. Okay. If it is not working, forget that. Just go to edit. Select all කියලා එකක් තියෙනවානේ. Select all, Control A. Here in this, the last one. Right. Okay. Better. Okay. Working. Now copy it. Edit and copy. Copy and paste. Edit, paste. Then press enter key එක ගහලා again paste. Edit, paste. Enter key and paste. So likewise, enter key and paste. Apply 10 lines. Enter key and paste. Now that 100, you have to apply it to 10 lines. You can see how she's doing. Others can also do the same. Right, now you can see it's in line 9. Now I think line 10. Yes, now it's 10. Count the lines. It should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it's 10. Now save and see the characters. Now save and see. Now you have, go to properties. Now we can see it is 1018. You know you have 1000 characters. Then ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා 100 ඒවා 10ක් කීයද? 1000යිනේ. 100 ඒවා 10ක් 1000. 1000. 100 into 10 is 1000. But why you got 1018? Why you got 1018? Any reason?
So we entered.
Yes, because of enter key. Right? Because of the enter key. Because of the enter key, you got 18 characters. Because you have 9 enter keys, enter key is counted as enter key එකක් count කරනවා character දෙකක් විදියට. So you have 9 enter keys. Therefore, it's counted as. Okay. Yes, I can see. Minulya, I can see. Yes, correct. You can also type, right? You can also type and see. Increase this to 10 lines, and now you can see 1018 characters. Why 18 comes? Because you have 9 lines. 9 into 2 is 18. Now, can you copy this and paste this? Again, select all. You can just close it. Edit. Select all. Now it will be selected. Edit, copy. Will be copied. Edit, paste. Now we can see it's pasted. Enter key now, and paste it. Now you have 2000. Again, enter key to go to the next line and paste it. Now you have 3000. Again, enter key and paste it. And now you have 4000. Right? That is the easiest way to type 4000 lines. Save it and see the size. Save it and see how it's changing. Right click and properties. Now you can see it is 4078 bytes. How that 78 came? Because you have how many lines now? How many lines? You have 49 lines. 49 multiplied by 2 is, sorry, 39 lines. Sorry, my mistake. 39 lines. 39 multiplied by 2 is 78. 4000 characters by plus 39 lines. You can see here 40. 40 කියලා කියන්නේ අන්තිම line එක. 40 is the last line. But You have typed 49 enter keys. You have typed 49 enter keys and came here. Therefore, it's counted as the 78 characters. Now you can see it's okay, 4 KB and size is 3.98. How it is 3.98? කොහොමද 3.98ක් ආවේ? How many bytes are there? Kilobytes. 1 kilobyte, how many bytes?
1 kilobyte equals to 1424 bytes.
1024. Should be 1024. Not 1400, right? 1024 bytes. 1 KB equal 1024. Yes, Minulya, correct. 1024. So then can you take the calculator? Calculator ka gan search kar. Okay, now here the calculator. Just open it. Right. Now just divide 4078. 4078. Just type it. 4000. It's not typing. 78. Just divide it by 1024. 1024. You can see the answer is equal to 3.98. That's how 3.98 came. Others must remember this, right? We discussed this in previous videos, but if you cannot remember, just remember that 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes. එක KB එකක් කියන්නේ byte 1024ක්. ඒ හින්දා තමයි 3.98ක් ආවේ. Okay, close this. Now go to the notepad again, Pute, and press enter again and just paste it another one time. Edit paste. Now you will get 5,000 characters. Save it. Now you'll get 5,000 characters. But with the enter keys, 49 enter keys, මොකද ඔයාට line 50ක් තියෙනවනේ මෙතන පේනවා නේද? LN50. LN50 call 101. Just go to the properties. Just go to the properties. Now you can see 5098. කොහොමද 5098 ආවේ? 5000 characters, 49 lines. 49 lines can 49 into 2 is 98. Altogether 5098 characters. Right? But now size on disk. Now you will see, if you do this practical, now you will see it is increased to 8 KB. It's increased to 8 KB. How come that happened? Yes, how come that happened? It was earlier it was 4 KB, but 3.98 KB. Now it is 4.97 KB. Now it is 8 KB. How? කොහොමද උනේ? Can anyone explain? Minulya, can you explain? No idea. Okay, think like that. Okay, think you have a mug. Right? Everyone, හැමෝම හිතන්න ඔයාලා ළඟ mug එකක් තියෙනවා. මේ mug එකේ size of this mug is, let's say 4 kilobyte, not milliliters. හරි? milliliter දෙන්නේ නැතුව kilobyte වලින් දීලා තියෙනවා කියලා හිතමු. Mug size is, නැත්නම් අපි milliliter කියලාම හිතමුකෝ. Right, it's okay. Mug size is 400 milliliter. Right? Mug size is 400 milliliter. Now you get a cool drink. Cool drink size is 300 milliliter. How many mugs you need? Cool drink, it is 300 milliliter. You have 400 milliliter mug. How many mugs you need?
Only one.
Only one mug. That means how many milliliters? 400 milliliters. Size is 300 milliliters, but size of mug is 400 milliliters. Now you got 450 milliliter drink. Now how many mugs you need?
2.
2 mugs. 2 mugs means how many milliliters?
800.
800 milliliters. But actually, what is the drink size?
450.
450. Minulya, did you understand that or not? Minulya, did you understand that?
Sir, can you explain it again?
Okay. You have 300 milliliter drink. Milliliter 300ක drink එකක් තියෙනවා. And your mug
Okay.
size is 400 milliliters. ඔයාගේ කෝපයක් තියෙනවා ඒකේ size එක 400 milliliters. Can you put that 300 milliliter drink to your 400 milliliter mug?
Yes, sir.
Possible. So mug size is 400 milliliters. Drink size is 300 milliliters. Now you got දැන් ඔයාට හම්බ වෙනවා පුතේ 450 milliliters. දැන් අර මග් එකේ දාන්න පුළුවන්.
Yes.
නේද? මග් කීයක් වුණ වෙනවද? 450 නේ. 450 දාන්න මග් කීයක් වුණ වෙනවද? Yes. 2 mugs. හරි. මග් දෙකක් කියන්නේ දැන් ඔයාගේ ඇත්තටම size එක කොච්චරද? මග් දෙකේ ප්‍රමාණය කොච්චරද? 800 milliliters නේද?
Yes, sir.
මග් දෙකට 800 milliliters ඕන. ඇත්තටම drink එකේ size එක
300 milliliters.
300 නෙවෙයි දැන් දෙවෙනි එක 450 450 නේ.
Yes, sir.
450. හරි. ඒක ඒ වගේම දෙයක් තමයි මෙතනත් උනේ පුතේ. අපි hard disk එක format කරලා තියෙන්නේ අර පොඩි පොඩි කොටු වලට sizes වලට. So can you go to explorer window දෙනුරි? explorer එකට යන්න වාගේ. file explorer එකට. Windows E. Windows E. Right. Then right click on your Y drive. Right click on the Y drive. Left side. Left side එකේ පල්ලෙහා තියෙන Y drive එක. Right click and go to properties. Right. Here, this hard disk basically, yes, you cannot see over there, but just right click on the Y drive again, Pute. Right click on the Y drive again, close that, right click on the Y drive again, and click format. Don't format it, but click format. Don't worry, that will not format, right? Right, don't format, huh? Don't click start. Start time obanne pa. Now, can you see the allocation unit size? Can everyone see the allocation unit size?
Yes, sir.
What is the size?
4096 bytes.
That means how many kilobytes?
4 kilobytes.
4 kilobytes. Exactly. Very good. 4096 bytes means 4 kilobyte. එතකොට වාගේ hard disk එක පුතේ format කරලා තියෙන්නේ හදලා තියෙන්නේ අර මං කියවනේ මිලිලීටර් 400 කෝප්ප වගේ අපිට කෝප්ප තියෙනවා වගේ standard size එකේ hard disk එකෙත් standard cells තියෙනවා. මේ file දාන්න standard units තියෙනවා. cells කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. මේක තමයි allocation unit කියන්නේ. ඒ unit එකක් 4KB. එතකොට 4KB වලට වැඩිය අඩු වුණොත් ඔයාට 4KB එක දාන්න පුළුවන්. 4KB නැතුව 5KB වුණොත් 4KB ඒවා කීයක් ඕනද? Unit 2 no? Did you understand? Or not?
I didn't understand.
You didn't understand. හරි. දැන් කෝප්ප example එක තේරුණාද? කෝප් එක size එක 400 milliliters කිව්වම ඒ size එකේ කෝප්ප තමයි ගොඩාක් තියෙන්නේ. ඒක තේරුණාද? Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Right. Hard disk එක ලොකුයිනේ. It's like gigabyte no. දන්නවනේ hard disk එකේ gigabyte ගණනක් තියෙනවා කියලා දන්නවද?
Yes.
Here you can see capacity. What is the capacity of this Denori's hard disk? Now you can see Y drive. What is the capacity?
390 GB.
390 GB. හැබැයි මේක format කරනකොට මේක මකනකොට නැත්නම් මේක අපි හදනකොට මේකේ හදනවා අර unit පොඩි අර නීවදයක තියෙන කෝෂ ඒ වගේ hard disk එකෙත් අපි චූටි ඇහැට පේන්නේ නැහැ ඒවා. හැබැයි පුංචි cells හදනවා. ඒවට කියනවා units කියලා. ඒ unit එක size එක කීයද දැන් මේ හදන්න යන?
496 bytes.
ඒක තේරුණාද? 496 KB unit, sorry 496 byte. ඒ කියන්නේ 4 KB. Unit size එක 4 KB හැදෙනවා කියලා තේරුණාද? Or not? Everyone need to respond, guys.
Yes.
They make a format.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Then, so after you formatting, when you store a file, if you have 3 KB, 1 unit is enough. 3 KB තිබ්බොත් 4 KB unit එක දාන්න පුළුවන් ඉඩ ඇතිනේ. ඇති නේද?
Yes, sir.
Right. 5 KB આવත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? 4 KB ඇතිද? 5 KB આવත්?
No, sir.
No, it's not enough. Then how many cells you need?
2 cells.
Yes, you need 2 cells. 2 cells කියන්නේ කීයද? 8 KB.
8.
8 KB. Now you understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Right, okay. So if you have not understood, please let me know, then I can explain again. Yes, Vinulya, that photo that you have sent, it's correct. So when you see the properties of your hard disk, your one also you get 456 GB. That is the one that you have sent, and it is divided again to that small cells. ඕනම hard disk එක
Yes, sir.
data තියෙන ඔන්න ඔය වගේ. ඕනම hard එකක data තියෙන්නේ චූටි unit වලට බෙදලා same size unit, right? Equally treated, same size unit. So the size on disk is measured how many units consumed to store this file. Size means original content size. That's why 2 sizes are there. I know this concept is difficult, might be. You are in grade 7. You know what? You can check this if you are not sure. Please ask this question from A-level students. They don't know. I am sure that. Unless if they really follow ICT, 95% of the people, A-level students, don't know. They don't know this. Even 90% of the university students, they also don't know. Right? I guarantee that. You can go and ask the same question. Why there are 2 sizes? Can you explain this? Unless they have done ICT thoroughly, they don't know why that is there. Right? So it's okay for your level. If you don't understand, that's really, really okay. But if you can understand, you are great. You are in a great level. That's why I just want to give you great things, not the good things or average things. I want to give you great things. That's why I'm going to teach the exact thing. I can hide this from you. Okay, there are 2 sizes. Just remember size and size on disk. Size means this, size on disk is this. And I can save my time, save your time too. But by doing that, I'm cheating. Because I didn't tell you the exact thing. But now you know the reality. What is really happening in the hard disk. Don't start this, right? Just close this Denori. Otherwise, you are erasing all the disks. Right? And Senolia also, please delete, please cancel out this. Otherwise, if you format, what will happen? You will erase entire disk, right? So don't do this. So if you want to delete later, you can do this, right? After knowing what will happen after deleting, you can do. Okay, then. With that, I'm going to stop for today, Pute. Please remember the concept, how data stored in the hard disk. Okay, then see you all in the next week, right? And good night.
Good night.
Good
sir.
night,
Good
sir.
night, sir. See you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.